The EuroClean Wet and Dry Vacuum Cleaner boasts a combination of high-tech aesthetics and state-of-the-art design. It's powered by the innovative Deep Cleaning Plus technology and smart ergonomics that ensures hassle-free usage.
To boot the device, switch the power on. It has a long cable for ease of use.
The power control of the vacuum cleaner features a low power mode and a high power mode.
Before switching it on, use the hose on either the suction end or the blower end depending on your usage. To prepare your unit for wet cleaning, unlock and pull out the HEPA type filter and remove the special dust filter.
Fix the rubber gasket. And lock the clamps. The Floor Cam Carpet Cleaner is a versatile accessory that can switch between a floor cleaner and a carpet cleaner with the flick of a button. The Wet Squeegee accessory can clean wet surfaces and spills. The small wet squeegee collects fluids from inaccessible places and can be used to clean water tanks. The small wet crevice nozzle cleans fluids from corners and crevices. Attach the accessory attachment adapter to make use of all the black colored accessories. The upholstery cleaner can be used to clean cushions and mattresses.
The atomizer can be effectively used to fumigate your cupboards and freshen your homes. All you have to do is load the atomizer with naphthalene balls and connect it to the blower end. The crevice nozzle is used to remove dust from inaccessible spaces. It's used to remove dust from wall corners. Sofa corners and any other inaccessible areas. The flexible hosepipe is a primary accessory. With the grill cleaner, you can remove stubborn dust from between your grills easily. You can also use this to remove dirt from window ledges and sills. The all-surface cleaner is designed to keep hard-to-clean things spotlessly clean. It is used to clean curtains, hard surfaces, and mattresses. The Flexi Cleaner can be used to reach inaccessible places easily. It can clean shelf tops very effectively.
The car wash adapter is a blower accessory. It can be used to wash cars by attaching it with a crevice nozzle.
The spray jar, when connected to the blower end, can help you water your plants.
The laptop cleaner is used to clean surfaces like laptop, TV and keyboard screens. The Precision Cleaner is a multi-purpose blower accessory with which you can fill balloons and blow out dust and dirt from corners. The EuroClean Wet and Dry has a dust capacity of 8 liters. This product also features additional storage for frequently used accessories. The auto cord winder mechanism prevents any damage to the power cable. Wet and Dry can rotate 360 degrees to give you maximum convenience in cleaning. The blower nozzle goes down, indicating that the dust bag is full. Let's make cleaning hassle-free. Eureka Forbes.